YouTube, it's MC and B-Man. Today I'm showing you my skateboard review. Okay, first is I have a Alien Workshop board, if you do not know that. Yeah. Thunder trucks. And I pissed my dad off the other day, so he threw my board outside in the snow. Then he landed over. And he fucked up the bearings from the snow. That one sucks. This one sucks a little bit. Here. Yeah. That one's okay. He did this from when he ran over my board. I don't know if you can see it. There's like this little line of a little crack. I'm missing a bolt. I have another tiny chip. No cracks on the side, surprisingly. I thought he'd break it right in half, but yeah, he's an asshole. Yeah. I need to do something about my bearings, and if you have an idea of what to do about my bearings, comment please and tell me what you think. Because these bearings are just... Yeah. Comment, rate please.